So hello everyone. So today I'm going to show you how to use the MT4 app. So first of all, you go into your Play Store and then you type for the MT4. As you can see, you can type META. You will see it over here, MT4. You just go with it and you click download it. So I downloaded it already, so it will show me on my home screen. As you can see, is the app MT4. So I click on the app. So the first thing that you need to do, you go into the three bottom on your left corner, you click on it and then you go to the manage account, and then you will see all your account that was stored, and you need to log it into your main account to play and to trade and to withdraw the money. So you will see the plus bottom over here, you click on it and then you go into the login to an existing account. You click on this and then you will find our broker, which is MSC Group Real. You click on it and you log into the password that you were registered before and then you press sign in. So moving back, so as you can see, you will see the list over here that I'm going to show you next. So the first thing that I need to show you is the quote. Quote is mean the currency that you want to trade and you're going to trade the currency. So I have a lot of currency to play, which is quite famous around the world. So in this section you have two functions. So the first one, you will see the plus bottom. This is where you want to add more currency that you want to play. So you can add any currency that you want. As you can see, I go into the FX01 and then I just press on it and it will show me on the quote section. So secondly, you can see the pencil. You click on it, then this is where you want to delete the currency that you feel like you don't want to play it anymore. You just click on the pencil and then you can press the trash can bottom and it will show you to tick the currency that you don't want to play. So I just don't want to play the EU or GBP. I just click on it and then I press the trash can button and it will automatically delete the currency that I selected. So moving on, we go into the chart. Chart is where you store all the currency, the candle of the currency that you going to play. As you can see, we have the minute time frame and like the clock fraction. You click on it and you will see the minute of the of the currency that you want to set. You can set 1 minute up to 1 hour or even a day or a week. It depends on which one that you want. For me, I recommend you to use 5 minutes, so it's quite accurate at that. As you can see, and the second one, you will see like the paper thing. This is where you want to make the order of the currency. So this one, as you can see the HAUUSD is the currency that I want to play. So I just press on it and then I can make the order. I can make it order the sell or buy. It depends on the market price. So this one I choose to buy. I just press on the buy and then it will show me over here. This is the trade order. So this one, they store all your information about the trade order that you trade today. So you will see the currency that I choose, which is on the top. So you can see it over there. So if I want to close it with the loss, I just swipe left and then you will see the tag bottom over there. You just press on it and it will show you, and you want to you make the decision about it. So I want to make the decision with the close with the loss. I just press it and then it will loss. Maybe close the order. So moving on, we go into the history section, which is next to the thread. We go click on it and then it will show you over here. This is where they store all the information about your thread history, which is over there, and then you can select day, week, a month, last 3 months, or custom period. Custom period is where you want to select the exact date that you were playing and you want to see it again. You just click on it and you can select the date that you want to see and then you just press done and it will be show you on your home screen. So this is all for me. So if you have any question, you can drop a comment down below. So thank you for watching and listen to me. Thank you.